Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by today. Today I have a brand new cleaning video. It is a messy house clean with me. I have put off my house chores for several days now, so I have tons of cleaning motivation packed into this video. But before we get into the video, I want to say I have missed you guys. I did have to take a bit of a break with being thrown into homeschooling and just everything going on. I was getting overwhelmed and something had to be put on hold, but I am back and I am happy to be here, and I feel really awkward at the moment. It seems like the longer I took a break, the harder it was to get back into this, and so if I seem more awkward than my usual awkwardness, that would be why. But thank you so much for all of your support and your messages. And if you have been following me and you're coming back and watching this video, thank you so much. If you are new, welcome. I hope you'll consider subscribing. I'd love to have you join this wonderful community here. And going forward, I'm going to continue with my usual house cleaning videos. I'll also be doing the typical shop with me videos, shopping hauls, just lifestyle videos in general. I do want to add more of day in the life style videos that take you guys along with me as we take on home projects. So stay tuned for that. And I also thought I would do a Q&A for anyone who's interested. If I get enough interest from you guys, I will do that. So leave any questions you have down in the comments below, or send me your questions through a direct message on my Instagram account. And if I get enough of them, I will be happy to do that. But without further delay, let's get right into the video. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line. I'm starting my cleaning in my bedroom, and this is usually the room that I start with. I will be changing out my bed sheets, dusting, doing light style cleaning. But I wanted to admit to you guys how completely unmotivated I was feeling today. I kept putting it off and finding everything to do but cleaning. I think I got started with my cleaning. It was probably close to 4 o'clock. It was really late. But what I found was simply just putting my thoughts into action and doing even the smallest task really helped to just energize me. It just helped to get that ball rolling, and I found that I wanted to keep going and clean other areas of the house. So I just wanted to say to you, if you are feeling that way today, first of all, I hope this video gives you much needed motivation, but just put your thoughts into action. Start with a small task and you will be surprised at how it helps to energize you. And if you are cleaning with me today, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what rooms you will be cleaning, what task you're taking on, or if you're taking on a big project today or maybe this week. Let me know down in the comments.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
I love my mirrored nightstands, but I don't like the fact that they show fingerprints and dust, and I feel like I am constantly cleaning them. Today I'm using a Kroger brand glass cleaner that I had on hand. I am actually running low on quite a few cleaning supplies. I normally buy them at my local Kroger, but they are very low in stock if they have them at all. and I'm struggling to find the products I need. So I'm thinking I'm going to start buying these products online, but I'm curious to hear from you guys. Ever since COVID, where have you been buying your cleaning supplies? Have you been purchasing them online, or is there a store in particular that you have had?
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Now to clean my mess of a family room, I'm just sharing with you a bird's eye view of the mess. This is the room that we lounge in the most, hence all the pillows and throws. and I am just going to straighten all that up and do some much needed dusting.
Where did it end? Hanging on those strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime momos. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Nobody's like you. You are not normal at all. No, I feel like I want to let down my guard and just fall. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Oh yeah, oh yeah. But will you let me down? Nobody's like us. When people see us, they know. I feel so much for you that I don't know what to do. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down?
The final room I will be cleaning today is my kitchen, and as you're about to see, the biggest mess in this space is by far the dishes. And it seems like ever since COVID, since we're eating at home a lot more and we're actually at home a lot more than we ever have been, the struggle is real when it comes to keeping up with the dishes. Can anyone else relate to this? So I'm going to take care of that, and I'm going to be wiping the counters down and just doing some light cleaning in the kitchen. I did want to clean, or I wanted to mop the floors because they needed it so badly, but since I got such a late start on my cleaning, I didn't even finish it all until around 7, and we needed to eat dinner yet, so unfortunately the mopping had to be put on hold.
Oh yeah. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? kinda simple, kinda wishful about things. And you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it. And you always like what I like we know each other. But sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? No. Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past. Not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease.
Now to take a mini break to relax a bit just before cooking dinner. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you the cleaning motivation you needed. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. And if you haven't done so already, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I upload my next video. Thank you again for watching, and most of all, I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.